Hello viewers. Meet again with me on Malto channel. This time I will explain about 17 benefits of wine fruits for body and skin health. The benefits of wine have been famous since the first. Ordinary wine is eaten simply or as a recipe ingredients or used as a syrup. In the European region already cultivated wine about 6,000 years ago. This shrub plant usually live in the area with high intensity with low rainfall. About 60 varieties of grape variety, consumed by the whole world. Grape nutritional value. Grapes have a good nutrient content for the body. Each grape varieties have their own nutritional value, but in general the wine content consists of 70% water and 20% sugar substance, which makes the grapes very good for the body's metabolism. 10% of other substances include Adash, Glucoside, Phosphoric acid, Mangan, iron, vitamins, calcium. Other compounds such as polyphenols and resveratrol substances contained in grapes that we know as antioxidants. The content of wine antioxidants counteract free radicals that enter the body, to prevent the formation of cancer-causing cells. The benefits of wine for health. Number 1. Wine is rich in polyphenolic phytochemical resveratrol compounds. Resveratrol is one of the powerful antioxidants that have been found to play a protective role against colon and prostate cancers, coronary heart disease, degenerative neurological disease, Alzheimer's disease and viral/fungal infections. Number 2. Resveratrol decreases the risk of stroke by altering the molecular mechanisms in the blood vessels. This occurs, first by reducing the susceptibility of blood vessels through decreased angiotensin activity. Systemic hormones that cause constriction of blood vessels otherwise can increase blood pressure, and secondly, through increased production of vasodilators, nitric oxide, beneficial compounds that cause vascular relaxation. Number 3. Anthocyanins are a class of polyphenol antioxidants that present abundantly in red wine. This phytochemical has been found to have anti-allergic, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and anti-cancer activity. Number 4. Catechins, a type of tannin antioxidant flavonoid tannin group, found in white/green varieties are also shown to have this health protection function. In addition, grapes are very low in calories. 100 grams of fresh wine only produce 69 calories but cholesterol levels are 0. Number 5. Wine is a rich source of micronutrient minerals such as copper, iron, and manganese. Copper and manganese are important cofactors of antioxidant enzymes, superoxide dismutase. Iron is mainly concentrated in raisins. In addition, 100 g of fresh wine contains 191 mg of electrolytes that are beneficial to health. Potassium. Number 6. Grape is a good source of vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, carotene, vitamin B complex, such as pyridoxine, riboflavin, and thiamine. Benefits of wine overcoming various diseases. The benefits of wine can prevent the onset of disease in the body. Here are some examples. Number 7. Good blood sugar source. Not all fruits have blood sugar regulation, as in the benefits of watermelon has a fairly high glycemic level of about 70 to 75, which is not very suitable for people who have problems with blood sugar balance. In grapes only presented about 43 to 53 glycemic levels that indicate low glycemic levels. In a study developed at this time, A good blood sugar balance is related to the content of phytonutrients in wine. Number 8. Antimicrobial materials. Common antioxidants such as phytonal and resveratrol produce phytonutrients in grapes that have been widely proven as antimicrobial substances. In the study did not find how these antimicrobial substances in can from the grapes. This substance helps the body in preventing related problems due to food microbes. Number 9. Maintaining heart health. In studies on grapes, the content of this resveratrol substance has a usefulness to increase blood vessel dilation, which provides an opportunity for blood to flow more easily. The study was also shown when the body relaxed, with larger blood vessel walls, resulting in lower blood pressure or as blood flowed through all areas of the body with high volume of pressure. It is beneficial in increasing oxygen and nutrients to the body's cells. Number 10. Source of vitamin. Red grapes provide a good source of vitamins to maintain a healthy body. Each serving of red wine, giving about 16 mg of vitamin C, about 27% of daily needs, on a 2.000 calorie diet such as citrus benefits. A number of other vitamins are also found such as 22 mcg of vitamin K, about 28% of daily dietary value. 0.4 mg thiamine, 27% of daily value. Vitamin E. Vitamin A, pantothenic acid. Vitamin B6. Folate. Beta-carotene. Alpha-carotene. Vitamins help function the body processes run properly, which will reduce the risk of certain health problems. Number 11. Rich mineral. The benefits of grapes are rich in a number of important minerals. Every one serving of red wine provides minerals like 288 mg of potassium, which is also found in the benefits of bananas. 0.2 mg of copper. 0.1 mg of manganese. 0.5 iron. Red wine also contains some minerals, in the small of them calcium, magnesium, zinc and selenium. Number 12. Cognitive benefits. Grapes that are consumed as human grape juice intake provide benefits in optimizing cognitive strength. In a Concord study of daily consumption of grape juice 1 to 2 weeks for several months, it showed a marked increase in participants in the California Verbal Learning Test study. Number 13. Body protection from radiation. A potent nutritional content that has been shown to protect the body against radiation therapy, when used as a treatment against cancer radiation. Number 14. Helps muscle restoration. Strong antioxidants can support cells and organs in removing gout and other toxins from the body. It also provides support for the recovery of muscle injury to athletes. Benefits of fruit wine for skin. In addition to wine is very good for health, other wine benefits also take care of beauty, which is as follows. Number 15. Protection against skin cancer. In many studies, resveratrol substances show a positive effect on the development of cancer cells. Resveratrol provides protection against the skin from UVB rays from the sun, thus providing resistance to skin cancer. Number 16. Moisturizes facial skin. The grapes slice into 2 pieces, then apply on face and let stand 15 minutes. Use it regularly every 2 times a day, morning and night before bed, and taste the benefits of wine that gives skin natural moisture. Number 17. Brighten the face. Dull face, very disturbing appearance, wine can help. 1 to 2 grapes grabbed and peeled, then squeezed by hand. Combine with honey plus or minus 2 to 3 drops, then apply to a clean face. Let stand for at least 15 minutes, then rinse with plain water. Wine is one of the fruits with the perfect content for health that has a good antioxidant content for the human body. But there are some tips for those of you who want to consume wine. Make sure you do not have diabetes. The content of sugar in wine is high enough and will add to your diabetes worse. Make sure you wash it clean. Worry about wine in spray with pesticide materials that are not good for the body. Do not keep too long in the refrigerator, this will cause contamination with other bacteria in your refrigerator. Everything /fruits certainly have advantages and disadvantages of each, for that, consume wisely. Do not forget to like and subscribe this video, to provide other good information. See you later. Thank you.